How to find my Bitcoin address on Binance. The very first thing, you want to make sure that you have installed the application Binance on your device. If not, you can easily get it from the App Store. Once that's been installed, open the app. You need to enter your account credentials and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will land on this interface. Once you are in here, click on your profile at the top left corner. You will get to see the option of Binance Pro. What you want to do is simply enable this option. Once you have enabled, go back to your page. Tap on this wallet icon at the bottom right corner. You have to click on deposit. Select the cryptocurrency and in the source bar, what you want to do is search for Bitcoin and then click on Bitcoin. Now you need to select the supportive network. Let me select Bitcoin. If you click on share address at the bottom right corner, it will show you your Bitcoin address on Binance. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to find your Bitcoin address on Binance. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.